Hey everybody, I saw this video by RC with Adam where he flipped his quad and flipped the prop so he could fly like this. Not 3D, but like fly like this. And I was wondering if there's any impact on the efficiency of the quad. So I'm just gonna fly this in regular mode, 3 batteries, then invert it and fly 3 batteries again and see what happens. So here we go. Okay, so I did 5 packs instead of 3 on the normal setup, so I'll do the same 5 packs on the inverted setup and see what happens. If you want to flip your quad, check out Adam's video. The link is in the description. He explains it really well. It's pretty simple, so if you want to do it, go ahead and check it out. But anyway, let's do the flying. So after watching all the footage and counting all the flight times, there's not really a difference. It's 26 seconds of difference between the inverted and the normal flying, in favor of the inverted, but I call that margin of error because the 26 seconds difference is a little over 1% of the total flight time, which was about 38 minutes. So I wouldn't recommend doing this because it improves your efficiency, because it doesn't. So, sorry about that, but it's for science, so I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, and I hope to see you next time in a little more interesting video. And if you want to, stay tuned, like, subscribe, whatever, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!